Hey, what's up guys, welcome back here with Max Kitchen, and today we are going to prepare the cappuccino cupcake. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and let's start. So first off guys, we have to start from the coffee mix. So we have to add in a small bowl 5 teaspoons of instant coffee, make sure it is strong enough, and 120 grams of boiling water. Mix everything well, make sure the coffee is completely dissolved, and then we cool down the mix with 45 grams of milk. Mix everything again and you are ready to move on. Put your bowl on the side and take a new clean bowl, and now we have to sift the dry ingredients. I'm talking about 210 grams of all-purpose flour or plain flour and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Make sure you follow this simple step because you wanna not just sift the flour but also spread the baking powder well and evenly throughout the flour. Put the flour on the side, and now we need the last and final bowl. We have to crack in 2 full eggs. I'm using medium size egg, but if you have a large one it's gonna be perfectly fine. If you have small eggs you can use 3 instead of 2. Now we add 150 grams of sugar. Here guys, you can use or powdered sugar or you can use granulated sugar, whatever you have in your kitchen. Start mixing your egg with a hand mixer, or you can do also by hand, but it's gonna take a bit longer. By the time you add in 135 grams of vegetable oil, and when your oil is fully incorporated, add gradually the coffee mix. Make sure it is cold and not hot. A pinch of salt, not too much, and this one is not the last ingredient, but we are almost there guys. And we start to add in the flour and baking powder. Little by little, I like to start with a hand spatula instead of using straight away the hand mixer, because otherwise the flour is gonna fly all over the kitchen and I'm gonna do a mess. So I like to pre-mix with a hand spatula and then finish it with the hand mixer. Make sure you break all the lumps down and the mix is ready. The smell that comes out from this bowl, it's absolutely amazing. It smells almost like coffee ice cream. Now we have to transfer this mix into this small paper cup and we are gonna bake it. So if you don't have them, it's gonna be perfectly fine. You need to just butter and flour your cupcake tin, and this one just because it gives an extra kick. Like, it's absolutely eye-catching. Now, let's start. Just before start pouring the mix into the paper cup, we have to turn on the oven and set it at 180 degrees Celsius. Once the paper cup are filled around 60% with your coffee mix, make sure you sprinkle some dark chocolate chip on them. If you wanna have something sweeter, you can use milk chocolate or even white. Guys, the job is done. And last but not least, set the timer around 20-25 minutes. And here we are guys, now it's time to taste this beautiful cappuccino cupcake. Let's give a bite. With the chocolate chip on top, is like the cherry on the cake. Nothing else to say. I hope guys you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you in the next recipe with Max Kitchen.